If you enjoy contributing reviews, photos, ratings, and updates on Google Maps, you can participate in community-driven contribution challenges through Google's Local Guides program. These activities encourage contributors to improve map information while connecting with other people who enjoy sharing local knowledge. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Contributions made through Google Maps are linked directly to your account, so signing in is required. Next, open the menu and navigate to Contribute or Your Contributions. This area shows your reviews, photos, edits, and other activity on Google Maps. If you're not already a member of the Local Guides program, visit the Local Guides website and select the option to get started. Joining allows you to earn points for contributions such as reviews, photos, place edits, answers, and new location submissions. As your points increase, your Local Guides level increases as well. After joining, it is a good idea to enable email updates. Google occasionally sends notifications about opportunities, special activities, and community events available to Local Guides. Many contribution challenges are organized through the Local Guides community. These events may encourage participants to add reviews, upload photos, answer questions, or improve information for local businesses and public places. Community challenges are often announced through the Local Guides platform and discussion forums. When participating, focus on providing accurate and helpful information. Quality contributions are more valuable than quantity. Reviews should reflect genuine experiences, photos should be relevant, and edits should improve the accuracy of Google Maps. Google's community guidelines emphasize authenticity and helpfulness in all contributions. As you continue contributing, you'll earn points and unlock higher Local Guides levels. Higher levels may provide recognition within the community and occasional program benefits. Participating in these challenges is also a great way to help travelers, residents, and local businesses by keeping map information current and useful. And that's how you join local contribution community challenges in Google Maps. Become a local guide, follow community updates, participate in active challenges, and contribute useful information that helps people navigate and explore the world.